going to come a time in your life when you reach your lowest point, where your friends are not yet around. If your family, they can't help you. And it seems like there's no light at the end of your tunnel. Now you're gonna feel defeated, but I'm gonna tell you right now, today, not to give up. You see, when life seems, it's false, you can't see the prosperity that is hiding right behind. If you can't look the past clouds in the storm that you are currently in, but you and I both know that whenever the storm is over, the sun always comes out. It brings light to a brand new day and countless opportunities. You just have to get through in your storm. I am here to tell you that everything you are going through in your life right now is designed to make you better, to make you stronger, wiser, to help you reach your peak potential. I know it doesn't feel like it at the time. You may be wiping tears from your eyes. Your heart may be broken and overwhelmed with so much, but I need you to see above the pain that you are going through. I need you to see above the job that keeps turning you down. I need you to see above those people that don't believe in your dreams. Today I want to stop worrying about who doesn't understand you, who doesn't support you, who told you that you will never make it, because I believe in you. It's time for you to live, act, and breathe with a purpose. You are living, breathing, walking miracle. Your birth here on this earth was not an accident. I want you to understand this. You have a purpose for being. Here there's somebody right now who looks up to you. Here there's somebody who they're just waiting for you to take into your gift. Thank you so much.